Drones are generally seen in a bad light, more often on display at military hardware shows. But could they be about to save Christmas? Well, eventually, Amazon certainly thinks so. The online retailer currently testing a system to use drones to deliver packages rather than targeted death and destruction. And Amazon's popped together a video to show us more or less how it's supposed to work. Man sees skate tool online, man wants it, man orders it and pays for it, man's order sent to Amazon distribution centre. A large warehouse where you really could hide the Ark of the Covenant. Another man packages up the purchase in a yellow lunchbox. Then it's off down the conveyor belt to a waiting drone, which takes off and heads round to the customer's house. They're guided by a GPS system and are expected to be able to carry packages weighing up to £5, an estimated 86% of the packages Amazon handles, and deliver within a 10-mile radius. But don't get excited just yet. Amazon Prime Air, as it will be called, probably won't become a reality for another 4 or 5 years, or maybe just before the hoverboard. Of course, it will help if you have a big garden, or indeed a garden at all. And if you live in a flat, who knows? Amazon may encounter the same distribution problems as those faced by a festive fat man in a red suit when he realised you didn't have a chimney.